Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to check in with Wizz Air. Whether you're preparing for an upcoming flight or just want to understand your check-in options, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get your boarding pass sorted quickly and efficiently. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official Wizz Air website at www.wizzair.com. Once you're on the home page, scroll down until you find the Help Center option and click on it. This section contains all the support resources you'll need for managing your booking. In the Help Center, look for the section labeled Check-in and Boarding and click on it. This will take you to a dedicated area with all the information related to getting ready for your flight. On the left side of the page, under the Check-in and Boarding Information menu, click on Check-in and then select Check-in Process. This page provides a comprehensive overview of how to board your flight and outlines the different check-in methods available to you. You'll see four main options displayed: online check-in, mobile check-in, airport check-in, and auto check-in. Let's break down each one so you know which works best for your situation. Starting with online check-in, this is the free option available directly through the Wizz Air website or via your Wizz Air account on their mobile app. Online check-in opens 30 days before your scheduled departure if you've purchased a seat during booking. If you haven't pre-selected a seat, check-in becomes available 24 hours before departure. When you check in online, you can download and print your boarding card, access it anytime through the app, or save it to your phone's wallet. Keep in mind that some airports don't support mobile boarding passes yet, so you may need to print your boarding card. If you're traveling with children under 14, they must be checked in by someone over 16. Also, if you're flying within the Schengen area, you won't need to provide travel document details during check-in. Next is mobile check-in, which works through Wizz Air's free mobile app available for Android and iPhone. This paperless option is more sustainable and convenient. After checking in via the app, you can retrieve your boarding pass when connected to the internet or visit wizzair.com from your mobile browser to print it if needed. iOS users can save their boarding card directly to the wallet. Just remember that some airports still don't support mobile boarding passes. If you prefer airport check-in, you can do so for a fee. This service can be purchased at booking, after booking on your flight summary page, or directly at the airport. However, at Agadir, Algeciras, and Zaragoza airports, online check-in isn't available, so airport check-in is provided free of charge. Finally, there's auto check-in, a hassle-free service that automatically checks you in 50 hours before departure. Your boarding cards are sent straight to your email, and you can add this service up to 4 hours before your flight for a fee. This covers all passengers in your booking and each flight section. Just make sure you've provided your contact phone number for Schengen travel or submitted travel documents for non-Schengen destinations. If you change your flight, auto check-in remains valid if the new airport supports online check-in, but the fee is non-refundable if airport check-in is required. Cancellations more than 14 days before departure entitle you to a refund of the auto check-in fee. And there you have it. You now know all the ways to check in with Wizz Air and can choose the method that suits your travel style best. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.